Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are well at home. Okay, see from lesson 3 the first exercise, that is true and false, we have already completed. Now let us do the second number. Okay, in second you can see your textbook. Question is, write the quickest way in which Sam can make a table with 5 columns and 25 rows. That means here it is asked very quickly in easy method how you can able to do 25 rows and 5 columns, a table. Okay, I have taught you the 3 method of doing a table, by using grid method, by using drawing and by using table dialog box. So from these 3 method, which is a quick method, that is click and drag by the grid method. Okay, so let's see the answer. Sam could follow the steps given below. What are the steps? Click on the insert tab. Once you click on the insert tab, you will get click on the drop down arrow in the table group. You have to click on the insert tab. After that, you have to go to the drop down arrow in the table group. A drop down menu opens. Once the drop down menu opens, you can see that click on the grid and drag the cursor to select the numbers of columns. How many numbers of columns you want? 5 columns. You select. And how many rows? 25 rows required. Then the table, automatically the table is inserted. So these are the steps how Sam can quickly insert a table with 5 columns and 25 rows. You have to click on the insert tab. Then in the table group, in the arrow, drop down arrow, if you click from the table group dialog box opens. Then you see the drop down menu opens. Once the drop down menu opens, then the grid option will be shown. From the grid option, you click and draw how many rows and columns you require. See the answer once again. Is it clear? Click on insert tab. Click on the drop down arrow in the table group. Then a drop down menu opens. Click on the grid and drag the cursor to select the numbers of columns, that is 5, and rows 25 required. The table is inserted. So this is the steps you can write down. Now come to the third question. So let me erase it. We will do the third one. Okay students, now come to the third question. Here in this question, many things has been asked to do. Iyer wants to make the cell in the first row grey. That means Iyer, he wants to make the cell in the first row grey. And the text in the first row of his table center aligned. Even he wants the text in the first row to be aligned where? In the center. Underline, italic and in the Times New Roman font. As well as he want to do underline, as well as he want to do italic, and he want to change the font, that is Time Roman. So leave the option and the tabs he would use for it. So you have to mention here how he will do to do this all option, and he will use which tab to do this. Okay, the first one is grey. So Iyer, to make the first row grey, what he will do, and he will use from which tab? So grey, to make the cell in the first row grey, he would use the shading option. He would use which option? Shading option. From the table tools, under which tab? Design tab. Is it clear? So to make the cell in the first row grey, he would use the shading option from the table tools under design tab. The second is, he wants the text should be aligned in center. So center aligned. To center he would use the center align button in the paragraph group in which tag? Home tag. Here how it is in design tag. So in home tag. To center align the text in the cell, he would use the center align button in the paragraph group in the home tag. Now come to the third one, underline. He wants to underline the text. Then what he will do? To underline the text, he would use the underline button in which group? In the font group of which tag? Home tag. Now come to the fourth one. To do the text italic. To make the text in italic, he would use the which option? The italic option. In which group? In the font group. And in which tag? In the home tag. Of the home tag. Now come to the last one. Even you want to change the font style of the text, that is into Times New Roman. To change the font of the text, he would use the font group in the home tag. He would use font group, then we will select this Times New Roman in the home tag. So these are the points. Is it clear? Can you able to see properly? Everything is clear for you? For grade, center align, underline, italic and Times New Roman. So students, you can take out a screenshot of this and you can able to zoom and write the answer in your notebook. So with neat and clean handwriting, this lesson, all the exercise has been completed. The first exercise, the second and third. You please write down in a very good and neat handwriting in your computer classwork notebook. Thank you children for listening my class. All of you take care and be safe at home. Always be smiling and take care of your health. Bye.